What happens if I get points on my driver's license in Oklahoma? I'm Tulsa attorney James Worth, and that's the question that we're asking is what happens when the Department of Public Safety assesses points on your license? All right, so when you get a traffic citation, you go to court on that. For many offenses, if you get a conviction, the court clerk of that court reports that conviction, is required by law to report that conviction to the Department of Public Safety, and it's put down in your driving record, and points are assessed on your license. In the Department of Public Safety Administrative Code, there's an appendix that attaches a point value to 63 different driving or driving-related offenses, and then that point amount is put on there. And then any insurance company that's requesting your driving history in order to quote you insurance, they find out about those convictions and those points. It's reported to those insurance companies, and that can cause the increase of your insurance or the loss of insurance. Additionally, it can result in the loss of your driving privileges, loss of your license. So let me tell you how that happens. It goes through a number of levels before you get there. So first off, if you have points anywhere from 1 to 4 points, that's going to be reported. It's going to raise insurance rates, all of those types of things. But once you get 5 or 6 points, it triggers a part of the administrative code that is in 595-10-7-4. And at that point, the Department of Public Safety is going to send you out a letter advising you of your point accumulation. They call that a warning letter. So you get a warning at either 5 or 6 points on your license. Once you get up to 7, 8, or 9 points on your license, at that point, you get a notice to appear. You get a letter from the Department of Public Safety saying you better come down for an interview. And then after that interview, they can require certain things. They may require you to do a defensive driving class, or to do a review examination, or to submit medical reports regarding your physical or mental condition and how that may relate to your ability to drive. So at 7, 8, or 9, you have to go in for an interview. Failure to appear for that could result in loss of driving privileges. And then if you reach 10 points, that's where it results in loss of your license. That is in the administrative code as well, 595-10-7-6. Once you hit 10 points, the department shall issue an order of suspension, suspending the person's driving privileges to operate a motor vehicle. And you are required then to mail in your driver's license back to the Department of Public Safety. The duration of the suspension depends on whether you've been suspended before. For the first time suspension, it's just 1 month. Then it goes to 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. And those 6 months and 12 months are not subject to modification, which means that you can't get a work permit or things like that. So that's what happens when you get points on your license. If you're experiencing issues with that or have additional questions, you're probably going to want to talk to an attorney privately about your circumstances in confidence. To get something like that scheduled with an attorney at my office, you can go online to makelaweasy.com.